starts from here. So it goes in there. Then remember that I'm just following the guides. This comes here. You can see this arrow, those arrows. You can see the arrows. I go down and then I come up again. So let me start again. I start from the back. I go down. I come up. This up that I'm coming is actually the tension disc. Always remember that your thread must go through the tension disc before it enters the thread take-up lever. So this first spring here is the tension disc that is regulated by this one here. Then I'm going to go up and then I come down. You can see this arrow here is saying I should go down again. By going down, it means I'm entering here the thread take-up. So you can see that this thread is there. Then I go down. I go around this lever here. So it goes down here. It goes, I'm moving this back just so you can see. It goes into this spring here. Remember, your thread guides might be different. Just follow your thread guides. Okay, it goes in here. This is the spring. It goes in there, as you can see. Now, my machine has an automatic needle threader. So if you have a machine that has an automatic needle threader, this is how you use it. So I push it like that. It goes in there, and I push it. If your machine has an automatic needle threader, that's how to thread it. If not, if the eye of your needle is in front, you thread from front to back. If it's on the side, you thread from left to right. If you're threading your needle manually, make sure you cut your thread at an angle so that it can have a sharp point. Your thread take-up must be up, and then you thread your needle from front to back. And that is how to thread your machine. Remember, don't confuse yourself. Just take it easy and figure it out, depending on the kind of machine you have. All machines, if not most machines, they look like this. And I'm going to show you with the industrial machine as well, that it's pretty much the same. Now, the last part of this thing is, you are going to use this thread to pick up your bobbin thread. I take my balance wheel and I go into the machine just once, not more than once, just once. You can see it's going to pick up the bobbin thread. As you can see, it picked it up here, and I can pull it right through, and I'm done. I pass my thread through my foot because my thread has to be under my foot, and then I drop the balance wheel, close my bobbin house, and I am ready to begin sewing. If I don't want to use my tray. If I want to use my tray, all I have to do, take out my foot, slide my tray in if you have a tray, return your foot. When you return your foot, ensure your threads are under your foot, like that. Drop this, and you are ready to begin sewing. Don't forget to close your bobbin house. And that is how to thread a sewing machine. Very, very simple. It is something you're going to do without thinking. Now we're done with the domestic machine, I will show you how to thread an industrial machine, and we're done with this module.